Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to share with you a video from my vacation out west last year. I was driving from Provo towards Wyoming on my way home from Utah, and I just happened to stumble upon these beautiful waterfalls here. These are the Bridal Vale Falls here, and I just fell in love with them instantly driving up on them. I just pulled into the roadside park there. They're about 5-10 minutes outside of Provo, so if you're ever in the area, I definitely would recommend that you guys stop out here and take a look at them. Uh, it's quite a beautiful uh, setting for these falls. They're coming off the top of the mountain there. Um, the water drops about 600 feet, so it's quite a long drop for these waterfalls, and it's just beautiful the whole stretch down. I just wanted to get the drone out and see what the top of these falls look like, and I'm sure many people haven't seen the top of these. I believe the only way to get to the top is through hiking trails that are very treacherous, and so this is a very safe way of doing it. Back, I believe, in the 60s, 70s, and 80s, there was a tram service here actually that you could ride a wire in a tram car up to the top, but that has long been since decommissioned and no longer is there. Um, this is the Provo Canyon here. I just wanted to show you guys what this canyon looks like. That's the Utah River running through there. That's coming up there by the Provo or the Echo, and coming down through there. There's a series of dams and man-made lakes that this river comes through, and you drive along those on 189 as you head up towards Echo. I just couldn't. It was just a beautiful morning. Just the sun on the mountains were amazing. It was just a beautiful day for vacation in Utah. So I just was so happy to be there and just soak it in, and it was amazing. Off to the west here, you'll be able to see the city of Provo and all the other little cities around it, Spanish Fork and whatnot, and the lake of the Utah Lake there. So that all flows out to Great Salt Lake, I believe. I'm not 100% sure on that, but I think they're all connected. These are all just, this is a basin here. I don't think any of this water leaves this area, so I don't think it reaches the Pacific or at any point. I think it's all the rain that falls in this area stays here. But I'm pretty sure these waterfalls here are supplied by snowmelt. Um, and since this is the fall when I was here, it's kind of amazing the flow that it had. I'm gonna come around here and I'm gonna get up closer here, and we'll take a good look at these falls. You can just see the beauty of the whispering water as it falls, almost 600 feet down from the top of the mountain there, and you can see some of the fall color there. It's just a sight to behold. I didn't really plan on seeing this. I didn't even know this was here until I just drove up on it, and it's just amazing beauty. I just love the whispering water. It's just amazing. I wish I had a DJI drone with me, because this Hubsan Zeno doesn't shoot 4K very well, but it has long since been retired. It broke and it's been replaced with the Mavic Air N2 now. So hopefully this year I'm planning on heading out there again, and we can get some true 4K footage of these falls and maybe get a little closer now that I'm a little more advanced with my drone flying. I had the drone for about 2 months when I went out, and I was still a novice, and now I'd say I've graduated from novice to intermediate. So hopefully we'll get some better drone footage of this, but still, it's just amazing how these falls just look, and they fall right into the Provo River there. It's just a beautiful sight to behold. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you like stuff like this, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like these, please hit the subscribe button. And I appreciate everyone who has subscribed and everyone who watches and supports the channel. And until next time, guys, stay adventurous.